Hi everyone, hi! Today I will not use green. Let me repeat that. I won't be using green today. Today is an exploration of a new color palette. I will probably use a simple composition, but the color palette is all about beige and browns in the beginning. And then on top of that I will be using blues. I have it in my mind, but sometimes that's not so good. Because when the plan, what I have in mind, is not working, I can get frustrated and not see the beauty that I already created. You probably understand what I'm saying here, but hey, let's go for it. I will be using my huge brush today. It's an 8-inch, and I will be using my pedal brushes, and those are 4-inch. If you want to learn what brushes and acrylics I use, you can download my art supply list in the description. I will start off wetting this canvas. Also, today is the last day of my Valentine sale. So if you wanted to follow one of my courses or buy a print or buy an original, today is the last time to do that for a discount. Also check the description for all the details. Let's start off with a Titan buff. And I did mix this with a little bit of water because I hardly have anything left. I normally don't do that for the fluid acrylics of golden. It's definitely a beautiful neutral color. Alright, I want to build some layers up in the background like I did in this one. It's so multi-layered, which I love. But there, the background was darker. I might use a little bit of Van Dyck brown, but use it with some water so it's quite transparent and just not that dark. So now, of course, I want to build up some layers in this. I do want to see how an interference gold looks. So you don't see the shine just yet. It's definitely there. I mix just a little bit of that Van Dyck brown with the interference gold. Just slowly building. Beautiful. Don't want to do too much because I think the blue that I intend to start using will be quite overpowering. Maybe I can have some bigger brush strokes. I think I'm ready to start adding blue. Let's go with Prussian blue. I love these colors like that. I really think blue would definitely fit here. But we're gonna see. Time for some white. Let's start here. I can start filling this up with a lot more blue. I think that's needed. I do love this color palette. No, I don't want to overwhelm this. I do see a lot of potential. So I know for sure, if this was a color palette with green, I would have seen the composition a lot quicker. No, I'm struggling. That's a good thing. It's a good thing because I need to challenge myself a bit more. That's nice. I feel like I'm getting there. I'm really, really getting there. What are we thinking? What am I missing? Is it a color? Is it nothing? So I create one big overlapping line from here. I should let this dry because I'm going way too far with it. I'll be back. And here is the end result. Yeah, that's right. It changed. What is it? A lot of blue on the bottom. I was missing some depth in this piece, so I took the painting outside, got my Prussian blue spray paint and sprayed here on the bottom, a little bit on the sides, and now it is finished. Quite a different color palette for me, but I'm loving it. You see there's some gold in here still. The interference gold that I used in the beginning. This is gorgeous. What do you think? Let me know. And don't forget, today is the last day of my Valentine sale. Go check out the description or my pinned comment for all the details. And I'll see you next week, Saturday.